Tells them, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Hello, welcome to another tutorial. This is Rick with Simple Tech 888. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove any item or hide any item on a web page using WordPress. But before we can do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification for any upcoming videos. If you ever built a website before, you know how frustrating it can get, especially if it involves using a theme, especially a free theme that you can't change certain things. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Very easy, nothing hard to research about, and you know how to look on YouTube on how to remove certain things on a website. With WordPress, there's a lot of themes that you use, and with those themes, there's certain things that you can do and can't not do, and it can get frustrating. So let's take example, this website right here is Yahoo. Most of us know it. There's certain things on here that maybe you don't want to show when people visit it. Well, there's a little coding here that I'll show you, and it's very easy to do. For example, like if you look at the Yahoo website, see this sign up or sign in button. If you click on the right click, you hover over it, click right click and inspect. Since I'm using Chrome, it's inspect, but Firefox will be inspect element. In here, there's these HTML coding. Don't worry too much about it, but basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click, go to inspect, and this is where you're gonna find the name of that specific things item on the website, and in this case is a sign-in button. But to hide it, you're not really removing it, but to hide it on your website when you're building it through the dashboard in WordPress, I'm going to show you how to do it. Well, this is just got to give you an idea before we go into the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and go into my dashboard for this website I built, and create a test page so I can show you how to hide certain things. So here, going to the dashboard. So if you work on WordPress before, even for beginner, this is what it normally would look like in the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, if you go down to where it says pages, we're going to go ahead and create a test page for this tutorial purposes. Go to page and then add new. Now when you add new, you're gonna give it a name. On here I have a plugin called Elementor. I like to use it because it's very useful, has a lot of feature and function, and is easy to edit with. And then go ahead and publish it. When you click on the edit with Elementor, this will come up. For this, when it comes up, I'm going to go ahead and add a box so I can insert an image in there. So once I add that box, I'm going to drag that image into that box and then choose an image. For this, I'm going to go ahead and choose a cat. I'm going to go ahead and insert and then update it and publish it. Now this is what anybody visiting your website will see, is this cat. Now if you don't want to see the cat, go ahead and click on the edit page through the dashboard. Here you want to hide this cat image or anything you want on a website. It doesn't matter. The trick to doing that is a certain code. You don't have to know about coding to do this. It's very simple. So instead of edit image, now you're going to go ahead and click on customize. And when you click on customize, on the left side there's this panel. Usually at the bottom it will say something with CSS, and for this it says additional CSS. What you're going to do is click on that additional CSS, and I have here a bunch of code arrays, so you don't have to worry too much about it because I was hiding certain things. But here, if you click to the bottom of it and enter a couple space down so you don't get confused. um, so you can type in your little code to hide that picture of that cat. So go ahead and hover over that cat. You're gonna do is right click, and when you right click on that cat, you're gonna go ahead and choose inspect. When you click inspect, the HTML code comes up, and don't worry about too much about that. But here, if you hover where the style is, if you see under the picture, there's a little name to it. That's what you need. Basically, all you do is you can hover to each section if you want to, but hover to the one you want to hide, double click it so it highlights, and copy, and then go back to the CSS, and then you're gonna paste. When you paste, enter down, and then you're gonna do an open bracket. The bracket is the one next to the P, so you're gonna do shift open bracket, has a closed bracket, enter down so you have a space in between, click on that space in between, and then this is what you're gonna type in. You're gonna type in display colon, and then you're gonna type in none, None, and right when you do that, that picture of the cat disappear, and then followed by a semicolon. That's basically all you have to do to hide anything you want on a web page. Once you do that, all you do is click publish, and it's gone. So anytime you visit their website, you won't see that picture and any item that you want to hide. But this is basically how you do it, instead of searching around how to edit a certain theme, because some theme can be frustrating. But this concluded for today's video. Thank you for visiting my channel, and I hope to see you soon.